Hello everyone, this is Sarah and today I'm going to give you the third lesson in Introduction to CSS. What we will do today is learn about borders in CSS and then we will go into the implementation. We have different attributes for borders, and the first one is border style. We can add a solid, dashed, dotted or double borders. We also have a lot of other borders that you can search online. We will see what's the difference between those. Then we have the border width. It can be 1, 2 or any number of pixels that you want. Border color can be blue, red, green or any other color. And we have the border radius, which can be 20, 30 pixels and basically anything you would like. And we can use one property that will have all in one. We will give it the width, style and color. For example, border 1 pixel solid and black. We can also do 2 pixels, for example, dotted and red. We will go straight into the implementation and see how these work. Let's open our Notepad++. And we have this HTML file, gaming website start. We have a title and we have a link to the external style sheet, which is mystyle.css. Here it is. And then we have inside the body just a paragraph that says gamer don't fear zombie apocalypse. They know exactly what to do. And if we see the file in here, so here we go, just the paragraph. And in the side the folder, the my style is inside the style folder in here. Anyway, let's start implementing the borders, and we need to put the borders for this P element. So of course we just start with the element selector P, and then we will type in border and then style. And let's try solid as a start. Of course, if we Ctrl+S to save and then refresh, we can see that now we have borders wrapping around our paragraph. It's black and we didn't set the pixel. How about we do this right now? So let's say border width is 10 pixels. Ctrl+S to save. Let's refresh our page. We can see that now the borders are thicker because of the width, and we can give it a color. So border color red, or you can basically give it any name color or any hex code. Okay, I think I forgot to save. Ctrl+S to save. Refresh. Now the border is all in red. And maybe we could try the dotted style. Ctrl+S. You see now it's like dots. And we can try the dashed. It should look like dashes. Here we go. We can try to make this thinner, like 5 pixels. We can also give it another color, maybe blue. Refresh, and now it is all in blue. Okay, and now let's see the all-in-one property. So we can just comment all of these, and the way to comment is writing /* and at the end another */. Let's add border. So if you remember from the slides, we have to give it width. So let's say 3 pixels. We have to give it the type or style, so let's add solid. And then we have to give it a color, and let's add yellow. Semicolon, Ctrl+S to save. Refresh, and now we can see that it also applied successfully. We have another property that can say border, that can add radius, border radius. Let's make it 20 pixels. Ctrl+S to save. We can see that now the borders have some curve to them. If we can see some changes in here when we put it as 5 pixels. Okay, now what we could do also is control each of these borders separately, and this can be done by adding, for example, border. Let's erase this for a moment. Add these again. However, let's remove the border, or let's add it in there. So border width, what I could do is type border width 5 pixels, maybe 7 pixels, then 10 pixel, and 14 pixel. What this will do is it will apply 5 pixel to the top border, 7 to the right, 10 to the bottom, and 14 to the left. We can also do the same with the colors, so the top will be blue. We will do the right in red, we will do the bottom in yellow maybe, and we will do the left in black. And we can also do this for the border style, so top will be dashed, bottom will be, right will be solid, bottom will be, what can we do, double maybe, and left, let's make it dotted. Ctrl S to save, and let's see how this will look. Okay, so now we can see that the top is dotted, it's 5 pixels. The right is in red, it is, I can't remember, what did we put it? We put it as solid, so it's solid. The bottom one is double, it is 10 pixels and it is yellow, and the last one is dotted 14 pixels and black. So we can control each of these borders separately, just as we have seen right now. So that was all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, send us your reviews and comments. And if you need any help, we will be available on Discord, or you can send us an email through our Gmail account. And if you want to support us, you can go to our Patreon and donate. See you in the next lesson.